In OutSystems environment, what developers currently do is that they connect their developers directly to their production environment to try to troubleshoot the error there. If you talk to someone in the industry, you'll see that this is a very bad practice. There are lots of reasons. First, they will be overwhelming the production environment, so they can be introducing more errors there. Second, they will have access to some sensitive data that is in production. And thirdly, they are not following the process that is building something and develop it, then test, then integrate it with the major code, then test again with your UAT guys, and then only then, when it is ready and validated, go to production. Unfortunately, sometimes there is no time, so we need to go and do a hotfix or a patch directly in production, but this is not the recommended approach. Okay? So Infosistema comes to the rescue in this situation, because what we do is we connect to the database in production and move this data to the quality environment or to the development environment. So the exact same data that is in production that is causing the error can be moved to the other environments. And so now developers can have access to these rich developers or quality assurance testers. Okay, it's more or less the same scenario. They will have access to this rich production data that will allow them to improve their quality of their work, because they now find these corner cases and they just program around them, or program better algorithms that can hold and can adapt to these corner cases that they are not expected or specified.